Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. Welcome to all of you. And as per usual, I hope your Tuesday is off to a good start. Yeah, I'm moving kind of slow today. I'm smiling on the outside, but I'm kind of crying on the inside. Why? Because of ye old pinched nerve. I don't know if any of you have ever experienced a pinched nerve, particularly in your upper neck area, around the where the shoulder blades come up. It is one of the most annoyingly painful things in the world, because no matter which way you shift, it's almost impossible to get relief from it. And it's something that I've battled progressively for probably the last year, so I haven't really mentioned it too much until recently. But I'll tell you, pinched nerves are really painful, and I've avoided. I mean, I'm not one to go for surgery and things like that, but I'm thinking to myself, wow, this baby may not get better with age. So I've been experimenting, thinking maybe it's my pillow and some other things here. And if you guys got any idea about how you deal, yeah, it lasts probably for about 4 or 5 days, and then it seems to resolve itself for a couple weeks, and then it comes roaring back, roaring back again. And it really does kind of take me out of my game, my usual bubbly, effervescent self. Well, hell, who wouldn't be dealing with that kind of pain? So I don't know whether I really don't know whether, I mean, there's so many conflicting things about ice it or put a heating pad on it, but it really is a drag. So if you have any ideas, or you have had experience with pinched nerves, particularly in the upper part of your back, where it reaches, where it hits the neck there, I'd be glad to see them in the description box down below. Well, no time for babies. I've got to keep plowing ahead. I'm still in kind of a delay mode about the flooring project. The tile setters have been working kind of slow down there, so probably it's not going to be till maybe the weekend till I get down there. In the meantime, I'm just going to have to deal with this. And of course, I have the same thing I have every year, every March 1st. I don't know why it is. YouTube, somehow or other, no note or anything, you just wake up and your channel's not monetized. And you write them a note, oh yeah, okay, we know we got some kind of glitch. Well, shit, this glitch has been occurring for like 3 years now. And you can almost set your clock by, I'm not kidding you guys. I looked at the calendar yesterday. I said March 1st, here we go again with this stuff. And they acknowledge that there's a problem with it. And they're like, well, if we don't get it resolved, just apply again April 1st. That doesn't really pay. I mean, I'm fine, but I'm just thinking, when you're running this multi-billion enterprise, and there's simple things that you would think should be addressed or whatever. Well, I don't know. Like I said, my life rolls on, but it's just sometimes it baffles my mind, especially when it's something that happens on the same, it's like March 1st and October 1st. You can always count on that. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to kneel down here and say prayers for the whole shebang. In the meantime, guys, things will always resolve themselves, as they always do in the long term. I shall endeavor to continue to be cheerful. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. In my current state, everything will resolve, I'm sure. But yeah, if you have any ideas on the pinched nerves and things like that, let me know in the description box down below. I don't want to be on pills. I don't want to be on that kind of stuff. It's not my bag. But yeah, let me know down below. And yeah, happy Tuesday to you.